Are you seeing the E18 error on your Fujitsu General Indoor unit? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to diagnose and fix the external communication error, often related to the WLAN adapter or main PCB. The E18 error stands for External Communication Error. You'll recognize it when the operation indicator flashes once, the timer flashes 8 times, and the economy indicator stays on continuously. It means the indoor unit is not receiving a signal from the WLAN adapter or external I/O board for over 15 seconds. This usually points to a connection failure, a faulty adapter, or, in rare cases, a problem with the main PCB. Step 1. Check the connection. Start by inspecting the connection between the main PCB and the WLAN adapter. Open the indoor unit's panel, locate the connector, and check if it's loose, disconnected, or miswired. Gently press the connector into place. If possible, inspect the cable for damage or run a continuity test with a multimeter. Reconnect everything firmly, then restart the unit and see if the error disappears. Step 2. Replace the wireless LAN adapter. If fixing the connection didn't help, the wireless LAN adapter might be defective. Swap it out with a new one. Make sure it's compatible with your unit model. It can be a CN or USB connector. Once connected, initialize the adapter if required, then power the unit back on. If the error clears, the issue is resolved. Step 3. Replace the main PCB. Still seeing the error? Then the main PCB might be at fault. This is the most advanced fix and should only be done if you're trained or guided by a certified technician. Replace the PCB with the exact same model. After installation, check if communication resumes and the error clears. Power up the system one last time. If there are no flashing LEDs and your AC responds normally, congratulations, you've fixed the E18 error. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out our other troubleshooting guides.